how to understand database diagram. Okay, important, interesting, very base item for developers, DBAs, data analysts, data scientists, anything, everyone, anyone into database. I joined a new project. I was given a server. I was given a database. I happen to access my database. I see few tables. To make it easier for us, I'll take only few tables, very small set of only 3 tables to make our learning easier. Now, what's my requirement? Yes, how to verify relation between the tables. Yes, friends, mic with everyone. Mic with everyone. Please tell me now how to verify the relation between the
Right
tables.
click the database diagram.
Database diagram.
New database diagram, right? Isn't it? Yes.
Yes.
New database diagram. Okay. Here.
Yes, sir.
New database diagram. Next. What next, please? What next, please?
Select
Select all tables.
Table add.
Okay. Add. Close. Tell me now, how to verify the child table? Child table, how to verify?
Chain symbol.
Yes. How to verify the child table, please?
Chain symbol.
Exactly, chain. Right click, add annotation, child table. Okay, like this. This is child table. Same way, here also child table. Right click, add annotation, child table, like this. Okay, like this, in this way. Next, what about parent table? This one. Key is there. Key is with the parent. Okay, right click, new text. Okay, I am a student. My bike key is with my parent. Okay, remember this way. I still remember my college days. My bike key used to be with my dad actually. Okay. Most of the time. Very naughty, right? Observe carefully. Parent it. Some way or the other, please remember everything. Please. Everything is important. Parent it. This one also add annotation parent. Are we clear, please, everyone? Please, mic with you all, please. I'll wait.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Next, how to understand the relation? I said parent table, child table. What about the columns? Please let me know how to verify which columns are involved in relation. How to verify?
Right click
You
on
remember, please?
right click
Ah,
on
right
relation.
click.
Properties.
Other, please, we learned it earlier, right? Yeah, right click property. Second plus symbol. Okay. Foreign key table. Foreign key is nothing but child table. Primary key or unique key is nothing but the parent table. Parent column. Are we getting it, please, everyone? I'll wait, please. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Child table, child column, references, foreign key, parent table, parent column. Now, this is useful for data analysts. How joins. It is useful for developers. How it's all about DB design activities. Admins. How tuning. Optimizations. Yes. My customer says, hello DBA. My student registrations are taking longer time. Start of the academic year, it's an online say university database environment or education portal, like some education portal like international education portal like LinkedIn Learning or something like that, and registrations taking longer time. It's impacting their business. So DBA need to verify what exactly the form, the end user form is talking about. It is about students table. So it is students table problem, but student is child. Who is a parent? Courses. So troubleshooting starts from parent. Go to child. That is called root cause analysis, RCA we call it. Not only admins, even data engineers also. We need anyone we need this kind of basic understanding of database diagrams, the ER diagrams, entity relationship diagrams. Okay, with this information, over to you. Now let's go for questions, if any, from our last 40 to 45 minutes class. I'll stay back for some time. Please proceed with your questions now. I'll wait. By the way, how is the concept now? Sam, we'll do it, brother. We'll do it one by one. How is the concept today? Last 40 minutes, 45 minutes class, like constraints, relations, universal database, keys. Interesting or not, everyone? Please. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. You practice all the items from starting of the class carefully. Also go to the notes thoroughly, and you received an email. You received an email few minutes back with the class notes and assignment. Please check it, everyone. Please, I'll wait. Class
Yes, sir.
notes
Received
assignment
it.
sent 30 minutes back. Kindly check. I'll wait. Please, we'll stop for today. Let's head on for questions. Let's head on for questions now.